hope you all enjoy this video. The video is for my cousin, Ember Mendenhall.
I can take the rain on the roof of this empty house. That don't bother me. I can take a few tears now and then and just let them out. I'm not afraid to cry every once in a while, even though going on with you gone still upsets me. There are days every now and again I pretend I'm okay, but that's not what gets me. What hurts the most was being so close and having so much to say. I'm watching you walk away and never knowing what could have been, and not seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do. Living with this regret, but I know if I could do it over, I would trade, give away all the words that I saved in my heart.